There are many benefits to losing weight. If you have been considering this idea, or your doctor has mentioned losing weight to you, you know it will be a lot of hard work. However, the benefits of losing weight are definitely worth the effort. As you consider your decision to lose weight, take a look at the list of benefits below. 1. A positive body image. Many overweight people struggle with their body image on a daily basis. If you are unhappy with your figure, and want to end those negative mirror sessions, losing weight may be a good option for you. Imagine feeling positive each and every time you see a photo of yourself. That's definite motivation to lose the weight and keep it off. 2. Increased self-confidence. If you struggle with self-confidence issues due to your appearance, weight loss can be a good way to come to terms with your body. As you become strong and healthy, you'll become confident in your abilities and strength. This is a great feeling. 3. Increased health and strength. As you lose weight, your body will become stronger. Exercise and weight training will help your body grow stronger. You may be able to do activities you never had the strength or stamina to before. You'll breathe easier, and be able to run and walk for longer periods of time without discomfort. You'll be able to play actively with your children or grandchildren without having to take breaks to catch your breath. Losing weight can truly be a life-altering experience. 4. Decreased health problems. Many health issues such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, sleep apnea, and diabetes are all triggered or irritated by obesity. This means that if you experience or have a family history of any of these diseases, losing weight can help you to feel better. Diet and exercise can improve your health by decreasing your risk of heart disease, as well. By altering your fitness habits and your eating habits, you just may be lengthening your life. The benefits of weight loss definitely outweigh the risks. After all, what do you have to lose? Sleepless nights, lack of energy, shortness of breath, fatigue. You'll be able to kick all these symptoms to the curb by investing time and energy into your fitness regime. Take the time to develop a healthy diet and exercise program today. Your body will thank you for years to come. This article is for informational purposes only. It is not medical advice, nor should it be interpreted or substituted as medical advice. Prior to making changes to your physical exercise routine and your diet, you should always consult your personal physician. Better safe than sorry.